Hello. Wow, thanks, buddy. So I'm going to Utah. How this came about was basically our really good friends were like, hey,
we're gonna go to Utah for a quick trip over the weekend. You wanna come? The flight tickets are really cheap.
We checked, it's super cheap, and we're like, sure, why not? So we gonna go and see some fall foliage. Apparently there's snow. I don't remember the last time I've been in like 39-degree weather, because living in California, it's always warm here. So we packed as much as we could. And yeah, I'll be flying out of the airport from Santa Ana, which I suddenly cannot remember the name of. John Wayne? I think it's John Wayne. Yeah, okay. We're here. TSA. Out of TSA. Oh my gosh, this airport is so clean and so nice. McDonald's, that's where we're trying to go right now. Hi, sir. Looking off into the sunset. Just finished McDonald's. Now at Coffee Bean. Waiting for our drink. Oh my gosh, how cute! Look at this. Hi, you guys.
You're welcome.
The good stuff, y'all. The good stuff. We are waiting to board because there's a slight delay. It's better for us, in my opinion, because I don't like sitting on the plane for like 30 minutes. I'd rather just go and get. I also just love this view. Look, can you guys see the little birds flying? All those little black dots are birds migrating. Oh, hello. Did you get your drink?
Yes. See more.
Hi, I'm on the airplane. Long story short, the attendant in the front did not call mine or Daniel's name so that we can get our seats. I think she forgot until the end. And basically, it worked out for us because they gave us Comfort Plus seats. So we apparently have a little bit more room out here. Have about an hour flight until we go to Utah. I'm so sorry you're this close to my face. All right, see you when the flight's done. Peace. We have landed. Salt Lake City, Utah. Why am I so excited for Utah? Zip. Daniel refuses to talk in the vlogs anymore.
Wait, is it?
Yeah. This is like super easy. Oh my gosh. It's raining. You guys see Domino's? Yay! Wait, where's...
Go to a grocery store over here?
I'm down. Why? Is it like a Whole Foods or something?
Well, it's a normal market, but then if you go to Smith's Marketplace...
I'm Beyonce. I'm just kidding. Good morning in Utah. After a vigorous night of trying to find a place to stay, we have woken up. We're gonna get some free breakfast. So breakfast isn't complimentary.
That is more than a time to shower.
That is still. Wait, do you want to get?
Oh no, there's no cups.
Oh. Time to go back to our room. Hi. So since breakfast didn't work out, we're gonna go have some shabu. feel like everything I've been showing is just like close-ups of my face. Sorry guys. So last night was like pretty crazy. We landed and then the person that offered up their place to stay just maybe it slipped their mind. We were coming, so we had to scramble for a place to stay, and because there was a storm here, all the flights were canceled and all the hotels were booked up. Airbnbs we're not getting back, but we found the Hilton and that's where we're coming out of. Yeah, after all of that has settled down, we got a nice night's rest and we're ready to eat. And it says the rain's gonna stop at like 1 today, right? I think. Yeah. And so it's our good to go for the mountains, and we'll see what's up there. We're gonna probably go to a winter wonderland instead of fall. Where we're gonna eat. We're under the umbrella. It's raining, open up.
Oh, there's a bow tie. I didn't even
Where?
notice that. On the logo. It is a bow tie.
Oh my gosh. Yum.
I wanted to wait for you to listen to the end. You want?
Oh, that's true. No, you're right.
Promise I'll be out of the car soon. We're going to Snowbird in Little Cottonwood Canyon. Yes. This looks so perfect. We just pulled over on the side of the road, but oh my goodness. It is magnificent here. Like, oh my gosh, there's snow up there. There's a creek down here. Leaves. Oh, it's cold.
So fake. Jeez.
We literally pulled over the side of the road and we're just like, oh my gosh, this view is too crazy. We must pull over, but oh my goodness, please. Look at this. No. This is too crazy, you guys. So, we're gonna drive up to go to Oktoberfest and we'll see how it goes. But yeah, I want to show this part. One more video of you for the road. My hands are so cold.
Snow, snow, snow.
Hi, we made it to Oktoberfest and it is snowing. If you see it on my face. Oh, it's just so breathtaking. It's literally a winter wonderland up here. Oh my gosh. Wow. I think we're gonna go grab a beer and maybe a Belgian waffle. We're not sure because we just came from a super hefty all-you-can-eat shabu lunch and desserts that I didn't really get to show, but yeah. Oh my gosh, look at these lists. Question. Do you hear the music in the background? We're heading towards the music. Ooh. Can you see it? Aha, we're going towards the music. Oh, like a fire. Oh yeah.
Alright, anybody here from promo?
My glasses are fogging up. We're here for the waffles. Oh wait, I think that's a...
Which waffle do you guys want to get?
Making our waffles. Or our waffle. Thank you.
Yo,
Wow.
Actually, with the strawberries without the syrup, it's actually pretty good.
Oh yeah.
It like helps cut through it.
That's so good.
it's very like
That's like my favorite thing. Honestly, it tastes like better than most tap water.
Any water from LA.
Now I don't think we could feel our hands or our toes. It's time to go back. Lots of drunk people here. But we're walking on this bridge and it's really, really cute. We're getting shaded from the snow. My nose won't stop running. Earlier, before the mist and the rest of the clouds came in, you could see like the silhouette of the mountains, and it was awesome. But I have a feeling it's gonna start snowing a lot more now. Woo! I went on a little impromptu hike because we pulled over on the side of the road, got more leaves. Look how pretty this is without the bugs on the back. Look at this, you guys. And it just keeps going. Wow. This is literally the prettiest trip I think I've been on in a while. I feel like I'm getting a lot of nature therapy. There's a lot of work going back at home, so it's just nice to kind of come here, unplug, and like take in the sights, take in fall. Do you see this behind me? Look at this, this is crazy. Wowza. We're almost there. We're almost there. Wow. Who would have known this would have existed? I think we're like the only people here too. Alright, vlog. Say hi to Little Waterfall. Wow! Wow! And then where do you release? Well, I guess we'll have to follow that one. It's really pretty because they already have some lights up on the tree. Like people watch the building. Great stuff. Hello, we have made it to our final destination. It's called Pretty Bird, and we're gonna have some dinner. It is here.
Oh, thank you.
Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Here we go.
just for the comparison.
Which one was our car return? Alamo.
Yeah, but National does Alamo, so.
Alright. Walking to our terminal gate.